question papers of the AA October 27. So the question is related to traveling salesman problem and the savings heuristic algorithm. So the question is the distance matrix for the 5 cities and the corresponding edge cost in the ascending order is below provided distance matrix with from the each city to every other city. So A, B, C, D, E represent the 5 cities and these are ascending order, that is the list of increasing order from the edge cost of the different cities mentioned in the given distance matrix. In the question is take B as a fulcrum node, that is very important. B as a fulcrum node and compute the 2 missing values in the savings list. So this is the savings list. AE and AC are the savings list distances. They are asking to find this savings list given below. Construct the savings tour. So they are asking construct the savings tour, that is path. Enter the path representation of the tour starting from city B. Only asking to find the path representations of that is the tour representation. So to represent the tour, we want to calculate these 2 values. B is a fulcrum node, right? So B is the center node, that is B is the center node, and there are 5 cities A, E, so D and E. So how these are connected? By both the edges. To calculate AE and AC, right? AE and AC. So AE and AC distances. So how to find the distance D from AE? AE, D represent the distance, that is node from D, A to E. So this one, A to E. So B is the fulcrum node, right? A to E is, so that is distance from D from B is the fulcrum node. So AB. So AB. So starting from A, right? So B is the fulcrum node, AB plus the distance from BE or you can write B also here, the distance from fulcrum node BA and BE. So this one BA and BE, these 2 distances minus the distance of AE. Okay, this is the starting node. So from B to A, this is 81. So B to A and A to B both are same, right? Bidirectional, and this is the symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. So upper triangular matrix and lower triangular, upper part elements are also same as the lower triangular matrix, right? This is the symmetric matrix. So that is A to B distance is same as the B to A, that is 81 plus, and the distance B to E is 56, right? 56. 81 plus 56 minus distance A to E. A to E is this one, 19. So 19 and its value is 118. So this AE is 1, the value is 118. We want to calculate AC, right? AC. So we want to find AC, that is the distance from fulcrum node is B to A. So that is B to A and B to C plus distance of B to C minus the distance of A to C, that is B to A. So B to A is 81 plus distance of B to C is 50 minus A to C is 33. So minus 33. So this total value is 98. So this value is 98. Saving values, right? These are the saving values of the edges AE, AC, CE, CD, DE, AD. So this list is very important. This list is very important. Construct the saving tours. So these are the saving values. What are the saving values? Saving values, we construct the tool. How we are constructing? It has the highest value, we select first. Fulcrum node, B is the fulcrum node, right? So A, B is C, D and E. This B to A and again A to B and B to C, B to C and again C to B. So that is distance is B to C and C to B. So the distance is doubled, right? So B to C distance is same as C to B also. So the distance is increasing, doubled. So in the same way B to D and D to B. In B to E and E to B also. So we are calculating in the double time distances. Every time we are calculating two loops, right? These are the loops in fulcrum nodes. So we avoiding this. So if we connect A to E, so A to E, we are calculating the distance. So B starting from B, right? So B to E and E to A. So we are removing these two edges. These two edges we are removing. So the distance is savings. The distance is saving. That is, this is the savings list. This is the distance savings list given in the question. Very important. Using this savings representation, we are represent the tool. So in the same way, if we connect B to C, A to C, we removing these two edges. These two edge distances. So in the same way, we are calculating all these edges are connected like this. We are removing slowly one edge by one edge. So in the same way the distance is saved. Because of this, this is the savings heuristic algorithm. Savings heuristic search method. B is the start city, right? B is the start city. So okay, we write here start city. So first one is the savings distance is 118. This is the highest value, right? This is the highest value. If we are calculating AE and AC distances, if AC is the compulsorily low when compared to A. Why? Because this is the decreasing order of the saving distances. So when we are going in this direction, the distance is AC is less than the AE, right? So please check if you are calculating the distances. The distances AE has the highest value when compared with the all other A to E. Why we are selecting A to E only? Because A to E has the highest savings distance. Highest savings distance. This is the net highest value. We select A to E. So next A to C. Is it possible to connect A to C? Yes. So the other edge A to C is empty. So we connect A to C. So three in the tour, every node is all the cities are represented, right? Only 3 are covered. Rest B and D are there. Okay. So A to C is the next edge. Next is C to E. So is it possible to connect C to E? C to E? No, because it forms a loop and only 3 cities are represented in the tour. So C to E is not possible, not connected. And next C to D. We select C to D. Is it possible to connect C to D? Yes. Every city has 2 edges. One is connected with A, another one is D. Okay. D is connected. It is possible. And rest is only one city. So B. So it's not possible to connect D to E because it forms a loop and only 4 cities are in the tour representation. So it's not possible to connect E to D. So compulsory to connect D to B and D to E to B. Okay, this is the tour. So this is the start city. So write the path representation. First starting with B, you can go with clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So generally we go with clockwise. So that is B, E, A, C and D. This is the two representation. Again write B and again write the B in reverse order. Write this all four cities in the reverse order, that is B, D, C, A, E. Okay, that is forward path and backward path. Forward and backward, two paths are possible, forward and backward paths. Okay, so what is the answer? So this one B, E, A, C, D is the correct. B, D, C, A, E is the correct. So how we are representing the path? By using this savings heuristic. And thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.